Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy birthday card in my way. Let's begin. So first you need 2 A4 size paper, 1 Ziploc bag, 1 water spray bottle, 1 marker and pen, scissors and markers in any of your choice. So let's begin. First you take a piece of paper and then you fold it. Now first you take a A4 size paper, then you put between it. Take a Ziploc bag and start cutting. Take the Ziploc bag you cut and take any markers in your choice. Now let's start coloring. As you know, I'm using watercolor marker. It should be something like this. Then take a spray bottle and take 1 pump. Take the folded A4 size paper, then put it over the colored Ziploc bag. Then turn it over. Remove the Ziploc bag. Take a tissue paper and remove the excess water. Now let it dry. After it's dried, start writing happy birthday. There you have it, a simple and easy birthday card. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and ring the notification bell.